to the channel. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. So today I am going to be going over my skincare routine with you guys and telling you how much this all costs, because I have bought all of, it's not bought, I have bought all of this within the last month to month and a half. So yeah, good job to me for not having any control when it comes to skincare. So today I'm going to be telling you about my skincare routine, how much it costs, and then I'm going to total it up at the end, and then I'm going to cry. So let me start off with my routine. In the mornings, I start off by gently massaging in my face cleanser. It is from Skin Magician and it's called the Squeaky Clean Foaming Cleanser. It is foaming, cruelty-free, and non-comedogenic. I'm not sure what that last word means, but I love that it's cruelty-free. It also has some cucumber extract, niacinamide, and taurine. So the next thing I do is I put on face serum. This one is from Versed. It is the Stroke of Brilliance Brightening Serum. It has vitamin C and licorice root extract. And so this one's pretty nice. It's definitely made for dullness and aging skin, which is pretty cool because I'm super into the anti-aging stuff. At this point, I just want to slow down the aging process as much as possible so I can be 30 years old with the skin of a 25-year-old. This product says you're supposed to press 2 drops into clean, almost dry skin and let it sink in for 2 minutes. I think it's a little bit sticky or tacky when I use it, so I usually only do about 1.5 drops. And as you'll see, I never really rub it into the skin, I gently pat it. I usually wait about 2 minutes before applying anything else to the rest of my skin, but I do not usually apply it underneath my eyes, which means then I can start on the next product. The next product I use is a sampler of the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye. It's a hydro filler concentrate for your eyes. It is supposed to help with under eye bags and keep that area very hydrated. So I love it. Usually I take a small drop on my fingertips and I will rub between the two and then lightly massage it into that area. That skin is particularly thin on everyone, so I'm super careful with that area. So after it's been the proper time for the Versed serum to soak into my skin, I apply Skin Magician's Daily Protection Mineral Tinted Sunscreen. So I typically do not use foundation or makeup on a day-to-day basis. It's more for when I feel like I want to have fun or we're going somewhere special or whatever. So I usually use this, and this is as much makeup goes on my face in a day. Something that I love about this too is that it's reef-friendly, cruelty-free, and non-comedogenic. Still don't know what that one means, but I love that it's reef-friendly and that it's cruelty-free. As you guys know, that's something that's important to me, and I definitely try to keep my eye out for brands that do this. I feel like I sound like my mom when I say this, but sunscreen is super important to apply to your face every day to reduce aging and sunspots and wrinkles. So I have been using sunscreen now for about 6 weeks super religiously because I do not want to end up with aged skin faster. I personally really love this product, and I just would recommend Skin Magician in general because I absolutely adore her. I have been going to her for years, and her products and everything have been always super good, so I highly recommend this. So that's my morning routine. It's pretty short because in the mornings, honestly, I don't want to do too much. I get up for work at 5 in the morning because I have a long commute, so you're not gonna catch me doing too much in the mornings. That clip that I filmed, by the way, was on the weekend, so it's not that bright at 5 a.m. So usually that lasts until night when I take a shower. So usually I double cleanse at night, and the first cleanser I use is from Superfood Cleansers, and it's the kale, green tea, and spinach vitamins. This was recommended to me by a subscriber, and my sister happened to have it, and she was getting rid of it because she was getting a new cleanser, and I absolutely love it. So I would definitely recommend this cleanser. It does feel like it gets my skin super clean, and I absolutely love it. And then after I'm done with that, I go back to using Skin Magician's Squeaky Clean Cleanser. I use that twice per day, and I absolutely love it. Again, with this, I lightly massage it into my skin, and then I rinse it off. And then also, after you use a cleanser, you are supposed to kind of dab your skin dry. You never want to pull at it too hard. So you will catch that I dab my skin dry very, very carefully. So depending on the night, kind of depends on how this next step goes. I usually do this 2 nights a week. I have the Skin Magician Retinol Serum. There's kind of conflicting studies on this. I see some people who say you're not supposed to start using retinol until you're 30, and then I see other ones that say if you use it in moderation in your 20s, it is totally fine. Personally, with my esthetician Skin Magician, she has told me I am completely fine to use it, but just use it 2 to 3 times a week, so I only use it 2 times per week. So this is actually super nice. It is supposed to help smooth, firm, and brighten the skin. It can cause a little bit of peeling at first when you first start using it, but again, I'm using it so sparsely, it doesn't really matter. And I apologize, I don't have B-roll to go over this, but I absolutely love this. So to apply this, you pretty much just take a pearl-sized amount in the evening to cleanse face and neck. So that's exactly why I do it after double cleansing. And then you just kind of slowly, massage it in your skin, pat it in, be very gentle. The only thing with this serum is you have to make sure in the morning that you really clean it off before you get exposed to UV light. So in what I'm about to show you, I am going to be using a face mask. This is a normal routine for me. I usually do that on Fridays and then I film afterwards. So I work from home on Fridays and my day ends at 3:30, and then at 3:40 I am starting on my skincare. I take a shower, I shave my legs, I do scrubs, I do whatever I want to do. So this mask is also part of it. So you will see me use the Little Black Pig Bubble Mask, and it is a Korean face mask, and I don't really know if it's supposed to help your skin. I always feel like my skin feels way softer after using it, but it does make you look funny, and I thought it was cute. It wasn't relatively expensive either, so I decided to use that. The other one that I have and I've been using is a Dead Sea Mud Mask. So this is from Majestic Pure, and it is a Dead Sea Mud Mask infused with lavender oil. I like the lavender oil aspect of it because I really feel like it helps soothe my face. And I'm not super big on essential oils, but I think in skincare it definitely can have some positive effects. So that is another one I use and absolutely love. But back with the bubbling face mask, so you'll see that I apply it, and I apply it very generously, and I'm just gonna save you some time on this and cut to when it is done. I'm not gonna make you watch 10 minutes of me fast forwarding, and also I stopped recording, but here is a video of Ramsey reacting to my mask. He was not a fan. So this is what it looked like when I was done with it. After I was done with it, I rinsed it off and then again patted my face dry. You gotta be careful with your face because it is thinner skin. So I patted it dry. I cannot drive this home enough. Pat your skin dry. Do not rub it super hard. After that is off, I again apply the Clinique. After that, again, I applied the Clinique Moisture Surge for eyes. I'm super bummed too because you can tell the bottle is getting empty. This is one of the products that I've had for probably 6 to 8 weeks, and it is a sample size, so I'm super sad. I'm probably gonna have to buy this. After applying the Clinique and rinsing off the face mask, I am going to apply the Neutrogena Combination Skin Moisturizer. I absolutely love this. It isn't too expensive too. I think I get it from CVS or Target. I love this. It's always worked really well for my skin and has helped me not break out. I also always make sure to apply it down the neck because it's very important to also take care of your neck. Skincare does not just end at the chin. It needs to continue down because that's going to be a spot that'll show aging too. And then you will see I wrap it up with the Verse Conditioning Lip Oil. Ooh, I said that right. Okay. So I actually really enjoy this product. I just got it from Target. It's super nice. I find that it keeps my lips very hydrated and very well conditioned. They're always very soft because of this, so I highly recommend it. It isn't too expensive and I probably will be getting a few more. All right, so that is my skincare routine. Now we're gonna go over the costs of these, which I'm gonna pull my phone for reference here because I took down all the prices. So starting off with the cleanser, this was $30. I highly recommend this from Skin Magician. If you are in the market for a new foaming skin cleanser, I recommend it. This is not sponsored. I love her and she's amazing. I'm gonna keep a count of this too. Okay, so that's 30, The next one is the retinol serum. So this is also from Skin Magician and this retails for $72. Yeah, I'm cringing saying that, but a good retinol will keep your skin young, and I think it's a good upfront investment. I think it's good to spend a little bit more for a serum that I'm gonna be using 2 to 3 times per week. Yeah, this is $72 though, and if you're gonna make fun of me in the comments for this, go ahead. I understand if you're gonna comment about my lack of frugality with this, but I do recommend it. It's great. So, let's see, 30 plus 72 brings us, we are at 102 so far. Super fun. Next we have the Skin Magician sunscreen. This sunscreen is the Daily Protection Mineral Sunscreen, and this retails for $55. It's worth it to get a good sunscreen that won't make your face break out. I have problems with facial sunscreens. I have tried them before, and so many of them make my skin break out, and I just don't have an issue with this one with my skin. This one also hydrates as well, so I hands down love this, and again, I love Skin Magician. I'm not sponsored by her, I just love it. Okay, so then 102 plus 55 brings us at $157. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna redeem myself here. The Verse Conditioning Lip Oil is $9.99 from Target. This is really good and I would recommend it. I've been using it for like a week now and I haven't even been making a dent in it. I have such an issue with my lips getting chapped. If I don't put something on it every 30 minutes to an hour, it always feels like then they're dry. This has been helping me out so much with that. So I'm at least redeeming myself here. This was $10. Okay. So plus $9.99 brings us up to $166.99. You guys see it? 69. I didn't plan that, by the way. I didn't know it was gonna do that. All right, the next one I'm gonna grab is the Verse Serum. This one is a tiny bit tacky or sticky when you apply it. I found just don't do the full 2 drops and you will be a-okay, and give it time to absorb into your skin. You'll be fine. This one was $19.99 from Target. It kind of balances out the other one, don't you think? I definitely like the retinol one better, but this one's still super good, and if you're in the market for a serum, this is a good recommendation. I do like this one. So, 166.99 plus $19.99. So that brings us at $186.98. So I was hoping we weren't gonna get over $200, but we definitely are getting there. This kale, green tea, spinach, vitamin, superfood cleanser, I did get from my sister. She gave it to me for free, but this is $36 and I will be replacing this when I run out of it. So this is $36. I'm gonna be adding it into my total. Plus 36, $222.98. I'm actually gonna move all the products I've done over here. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, yes. Okay, the other one I'm gonna acknowledge on this is this Clinique is a tester, so it was also free. So let's add that into our total. So $222 plus 98 cents plus 0 brings us at $222.98. So we are good. So the next one, and this one's worded weird, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to look at it. Little Black Pig Bubble Mask Mud is $9.99. It's a really good mask for that price. I love this one, I recommend it. I like Korean face products, so pretty good. So let's add that into our total. So $222 plus 98 cents plus $9.99 brings us at $232.97. So next is the Dead Sea Mud Mask with lavender oil. So this one I do like. I would recommend the bubbling one over this, but I still really like this one and I think you get a lot of product for the price. So this is $14.98. There is a lot of product and you are gonna get a lot of use out of using this one. I mean, look at how big this is. It is filled with product. So let's add that into our total. $232.97 plus $14.98 brings us at $247.95. So yeah, we have one more to go. So finally, we have the Neutrogena Combination Skin Moisturizer. Yeah, that's what it's called. It is oil-free. It really helps my face. I love and recommend this. So this costs $9.99 from Target. It works super well if you need a good moisturizer that's good with sensitive skin. So this was $9.99, and let's add it into our total. So $247.95 plus $9.99 brings us at $257.94, and I'm so disappointed in myself. Oh my gosh. So some of this I know will last me a very long time. Others, not so much. The Verse Conditioning Lip Oil is probably gonna go pretty fast. But other things like the Dead Sea Mud Mask or the Retinol Serum are going to be here to stay for a very long time. So hopefully it isn't actually $250 every 6 weeks or $250 a month. But at this point, it's pretty much what I've spent on my skincare in the last month. So yeah. But anyways, that was the video. I am certainly not an expert. I would recommend everybody do their own research. Don't forget to smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the smash button. Also, I just unlocked channel membership, so if that is something you are interested in becoming a member, you will get an hour-long live stream from me per week. No pressure on that, obviously. And yeah, don't forget to